Imagine waking up without your phone, a noisy alarm, or a single clock around. How on earth would you know if you were late for lunch? Long before digital screens, our creative ancestors simply looked up and used the ultimate cosmic timepiece, the giant blazing sun cutting across the sky. By simply shoving a basic stick into the dirt, they invented the sundial, tracking shifting shadows to split their busy days into predictable chunks. But there was a massive catch. The very moment clouds rolled in or rain started pouring, their genius shadow clock instantly became completely useless. To solve the cloudy day problem, ancient Egyptians cleverly designed water clocks that measured passing time drop by precious drop, completely independent of weather. However, when absolute darkness fell and water lines became impossible to read, a brand new mystery arose. How do you track time at midnight? Enter the stargazers, who mapped the night sky like a giant connect-the-dots puzzle, using the steady rotation of constellations to mark the passing hours. Eventually, sailors and monks embraced the hourglass, utilizing the unyielding power of gravity to trap flowing sand inside portable, highly accurate glass bulbs. In ancient China, they literally burned time by using marked candles embedded with small metal weights that dropped with a loud alarm-like clang.
Whoa, look at that! It really works!
If you preferred a much calmer vibe, you could use sensory incense clocks, where changing aromatic scents gracefully signaled the shift in hours. From basic dirt shadows to burning wax and glowing stars, humanity's relentless obsession with punctuality slowly paved the way for modern mechanical mastery.
What? It's 9:01? I'm late again! After all of human history's inventions, we still haven't found a cure for being chronically late! Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on our next fascinating deep dive into the quirky pages of history.